There has always been something wrong with my face. I opened my mouth. A blood-soaked bird's nest in which the mother bird had been killed and her fetal offspring left to die in their unhatched eggs. A mouthful of meat and feathers and tiny white coffins. A fat pink worm snarled from the red gash in my face. I watched my tongue. I thought of cutting my face up with a razor and pouring shoe polish on my head, slicing off my ears. I went to the bathroom and looked in the mirror. Blood was a pathetic little dribble. Turned brown in the summer. Mine looked like a cheap mask of blistered pink rubber from a joke shop.